Going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's a new week, fresh opportunities. Today we'll be going over the price action on Nasdaq for last week, Friday. Let's get into the video. I didn't take any trades. I should have done this review for the past couple 2 days. I should have done it from either Friday evening or yesterday morning, but like I said, I was having some technical difficulties with the computer, so I had to delay. Now let's get right into it. So we're at the end of the month. This is the monthly PO3 candle, and we are only 2 days, actually a day, because this is Monday's candle. So this is the end. We have one more day here. It's either we go up or down, and that's it for the month of September. Now, what I'm looking at here, Friday was an inside day on both Nasdaq, and let me see if ES was an inside day as well. Pretty much an inside day. So, looking at the Nasdaq, we went down in the PM session. That's in, well, in the AM session would have been the overnight session during London, and we went up throughout the day without closing above the previous day's high. The previous day's high was right around here, and we didn't get to sweep the low, so it's an inside bar. So we had a set of bearish candles. We tapped into this other block here, basically the rejection block. We came down into the wick a bit, and we failed to go any lower. Now we are still in an uptrend. Like you can see, we have the monthly candle here. It's in an uptrend. We're still going up. So I'm expecting prices to possibly push higher. Being as we found a bit of demand here, I'm expecting prices to continue higher. Maybe we come down here a little bit, manipulate down a little bit before continue up. But I'll be buying until the market shows me signs of slowing down. I'm mainly looking for buy trades. Now let's go to the lower time frame. On the 4-hour chart, this is what it looks like. So a bit of a chop. We did a double purge here, tap back into this 4-hour order block here, and then we just pushed up for the day. Like I wish I was home to catch this trade. Now see the same 3 candles here, and see we're trying to curl back up. No. So once we left this long wick down here, like we push past the consequent encroachment of this demand, pretty much a demand level. It's not the cleanest order block. We had a little volume imbalance here, and see we're pushing back up. And the S&P 500, it's pretty much the same thing. We closed above the previous day's high, or the previous, well, the previous day's, what would this be? Open. Previous day's open, we closed above it. And on the Dow, US 30, we closed above the previous day's high. So this shows a bit more bullish intent here. So this looks like we could actually go higher. So we just came down a little bit, and then now we're pushing all the way up. The new day open, so I'm expecting probably a little bit of a fill here coming to this candle before we continue higher. Let me go to the next time frame, the 1-hour chart, And the 1 hour chart, so see, opened up over in the overnight session and we came into this level here before pushing right back up. So I think this was during the AM session, and then now when New York finally break for lunch, had a bit of consolidation before we push higher. So we didn't run any lows, only these internal lows within this little demand area, and then we just continued higher. That is what actually happened. Let's switch this now. So going to the 15-minute chart, we had a few opportunities to get some trades. During Frankfurt, London, we just went up, tapped into this. I think it was a 5-minute level I had here. We tapped into it and then pushed up, ran this low from Asia before coming back down. We ran the lows from London, that's at right in the New York area here. And then now we just managed to consolidate before pushing higher. I think this is probably around the stock market open. We push up, come back down, and just basically a chop for the day. There were opportunities here if you are patient and if you are good at spotting entries, then there were opportunities. Not the cleanest price action, but still there were opportunities to capitalize on. When I go to the lower time frame chart, let's see if I can pull it up. So on the lower time frame chart, these were the entry opportunities. I want to go to the beginning. So say London here, there was an entry opportunity for the buy here before coming back down. And if you know what you're looking for and know how to combine the lower time frame with the higher time frame, there are some beautiful trades here. Some very beautiful trades here. So we came back down, went back up. I think this, as I said, this was right around the 10 a.m. region here, coming down. And then now after the 10 a.m., we went into, this would probably be about lunchtime. I'm trying to work on an indicator to mark out the macros and show me, but I haven't finished coding it yet. But we came down into this zone. More than likely, some type of news event caused this kind of a spike down, and we ran the lows. So this created the low of the day, and this just took out some internal lows right around here before we managed to push back up. So that is pretty much it for the day. I think we went up all the way up, went all the way up to close at the highs up here. There were some opportunities, maybe right around here for the buys. This would have been after lunch. Another one here. Let's see if I can push back this. Yeah, one here, another one here, and just pushing up and up and up. But if you know the market is going up on the higher time frame or the intermediate time frame, then it's best to take those trades instead of trying to go in front of the market. But these were the opportunities that presented themselves on Friday. So it's Sunday afternoon now and we open up and pushing already. I'm going to wait for our price to develop a bit more and see what we get come this week. So that is pretty much it, guys, for today's video. I'll catch you guys on the next one.